Mapagpalang umaga sa lahat. Welcome to our beautiful epic farm in here in Laiban. So we're outside of the gate and we're going to enter inside. So I'll tour you around, guys. Alright, you see all these greeneries here. We got fruit bearing trees like avocado, pomelo, langka, calamansi, saging, and a lot more. So we have this view of the mountain. We're like surrounded by mountains, and later on you'll see beside it is a beautiful river. Our house is maybe just 3 more weeks and we will all be ready to we're gonna be ready to move in. Tommy's over there working, doing mounds, so later on we can plant some kales, some herbs, all nutritious food. This place is gonna be amazing when it's done. Yeah, it's coming together well. So from here, that area is the river. We're building an open cottage over there. Oh, my farmer hubby. That's what he loves to do. Planting vegetables and herbs. It's not so much with ornamental plants. I do. That's why I have all the varieties of Mayana in our other house. But yeah, it's still working. My husband here is making some mounds so we can plant all the superfood in here. Gulay. So what are we going to plant, baby?
Daming variety.
Marami pong variety.
Kale, chard, beets,
Herbs.
lettuce, basil, so many things, yeah.
Wow.
Sealy, calabasa, pino, tomates.
Yes. This place is gonna be awesome. Kuyao, our Dumagat family is over there doing the carpentry. Iben is helping Tommy to build some climbers for the
Trellising.
yeah, for the cucumber and
Pepino.
yep, and calabasa. here we're building a open cottage. So if you want to have coffee in the morning, and then you can sit here, just relax and just go straight and swim in the river, because I'll show you just a few steps. We already made bamboo steps in here that goes straight to the river. There's the steps, and this is the epic scenery here.